In front of me is HUAWEI Mate 70, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app and tapping on this red button at the bottom to start. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, tap on this right button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one, and to end it and save it on the middle one. Then to play it, click on it. To manage it, use all of those options or hold it and click on all of those, like rename or delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!